and welcome back sa aming official YouTube channel. Kamusta kayo mga enjoypreneurs? We hope na successful ang inyong mga business sa ang panig dito sa Pilipinas. Summer season na naman, enjoypreneurs, at ito ang peak season para sa ating refreshing milk drink ideas. To start off this negosyo season, ang itakan naman natin sa episode na ito ay ang difference ng inyong Kreem Puff at inyong cream cheese. First, we have to remember that both Kreem Puff and cream cheese can be used for walling and as a floater. Isa sa mga difference nila ay yung measurements per parts para maging heavy yung consistency nila as a walling. For heavy cream cheese mix, here's the measurement. And for heavy Kreem Puff mix, here's the measurement. So, paano nga ba sila nagkakaiba? Marami kaming nare-receive ng mga questions during online and face-to-face live seminars asking kung ano nga ba ang difference nila. Well, one, the taste. During the first period ng milk tea trend, naging patok din sa mga tao yung rock salt and cheese na tinatawag natin, which is sa inyong, ito ay cream cheese. And of course, for those people na gusto ng floater na hindi masyadong into rock salt na taste, we have Kreem Puff which tastes like vanilla. So, cream cheese is maalat, then Kreem Puff is vanilla flavor. Cream cheese is best with our cheesecake series, such as mango cheesecake and red velvet cheesecake recipe idea. Next is the method to use para ma-achieve natin yung right consistency. For cream cheese, we recommend using a hand mixer to achieve yung ganitong consistency. So, as you noticed, thicker consistency ang cream cheese and heavier din siya sa density. For Kreem Puff naman, we can mix it using wire whisk lang. And ito yung consistency. We would like to achieve yung microfoam-like consistency kaya lighter siya. Alam niyo ba na sa sobrang light niya, kapag nilagay niyo siya una sa hot drinks, mag-float siya. Always remember na we serve cream cheese para sa milk tea flavors natin na gusto natin magmukhang thick yung cheese sa look at consistency. Kaya kailangan gamitan ng electric hand mixer. While for Kreem Puff naman, ang ina-achieve natin ay yung microfoam-like na consistency. Kaya wire whisk lang yung nire-recommend natin na gamitin. For the preparation naman, cream cheese requires ice cold water para ma-achieve pa rin natin yung right consistency. While room temperature na water lang ang kakailanganin para sa pag-prepare ng Kreem Puff. There you have it! Those are the differences of cream cheese and Kreem Puff. Recap tayo! For the taste, rock salt cheese ang cream cheese while vanilla-ish ang Kreem Puff. For consistency, cream cheese requires an electric hand mixer para sa thicker consistency while Kreem Puff can be mixed using wire whisk only para sa lighter and microfoam-like na consistency. For the preparation, cream cheese requires ice-cold water, while room temperature will do for Kreem Puff. Here are some clips of cream cheese and Kreem Puff applications. Hiling namin ang isang masaganang summer season para sa lahat ng masisipag nating enjoypreneurs